how can you change text color on the iPad and Notes? So let me explain and show you what we can do about it. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one. Okay, so when you open up the Apple Notes app, you can write down the text as usual, but running the latest version, we definitely have the ability to write down the text, and when you select it and tap on the AA button for text formatting, we have the thing right there which shows different colors, right? So we have like you can choose the text to be bold or italics, but also on the right we have like the color settings, and we can actually pick from 5 colors. It's more of a highlight of the text instead of the actual changing of the color of the text, but it still gets the job done. It is still like a nice refresh in the black and white notes inside of the Apple Notes app, so I guess it's actually very useful. So you can just do that and make it kind of like look that certain color, like the actual text is in that color, and also the background, which is like a little it's like a highlighted text. But yeah, it definitely, as I said, is a nice refresh. It looks better, so that is how we can do this. Of course, we have some third-party apps as well for note-taking, which might be much better in this, so it depends. But if you really want to use the Apple Notes, then this is the way to do it. And just like all the time, if anything would change in the future with an update, for example, I will most definitely make a new updated video about it, so make sure you stay tuned for that and that you'll never miss anything important. So go ahead and subscribe right now and you're gonna stay on top of things. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.